Hello everyone, तुमको वेलकम करुचे ओडिशा स्टडी मिशन को। तो पिलाने तुमरो नीट एग्जाम अछि 3 तारिख को। आज हमें पूरा महारिविजन बॉटनी रो सियोर शॉट 50 एमसीक्यू सीरीज आनचे। तो लास्ट पर्यंत वीडियो को देखो। जो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना चैनल को जल्दी सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को नोटिफिकेशन सेट करने कने जते भी हमर सीरीज चलिबो ना कि महारिविजन महामाराथन चलिए तो मैंने सियोर देखि परबो। नेट 2026 समस्त को बेस्ट ऑफ लक भलरे तुम एग्जाम हम 50 सिग्नेचर क्वेश्चन आनी से पर्यंत पूरा लास्ट पर्यटन देख चाहिए निज सांग मानक सेयार करना वीडियो को ठीक अच्छे लेट न करी पे तुम टाइम हो मेन तो आम टाइम लॉस न कर स्टार्ट करवा सदाबले थिंक फास्ट आंसर स्मार्ट पूरा फास्टली भाव और आंसर स्मार्टली दियो। तो चलो देखो फास्ट क्वेश्चन कौन दीजिए हाउ मेनी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स आर प्रेजेंट इन इंडिया 41, 34, 14, 43. कोटा answer is C. Okay. Next question देखिए what can be done by the number of species in habitat? Measurement of species diversity in habitat, measurement of gene diversity of species in habitat, measurement of interaction of bio communities, measurement of functions of ecosystem. Answer what is what? Answer is A option का measurement of species diversity in habitat. Next question देखिए how many botanical gardens are registered in IAPG? IAPG रे कितना botanical garden registered अच्छे 1500 80,000 800 900 केतटा जल्दी कमेंट रे मते जन दियो कि आम आंसर जेहतु देखा तो ये आंसर हो सी ऑप्शन 28। नेक्स्ट शीघ्र शीघ्र 50 एमसीक्यू पे सर पूरा स्मार्टली पढ़ स्मार्टली आंसर दियो ठीक अच्छे। व्हाट इज इकोसिस्टम डायवर्सिटी ए ऑप्शन अच्छी सिमिलरिटी ऑफ स्पेसीज डायवर्सिटी इन इकोसिस्टम variation in species diversity in ecosystem mutation in species diversity in ecosystem homozygosity in species diversity in ecosystem सठिक उत्तर है पिलाने बी ऑप्शन variation in species diversity in ecosystem। नेक्स्ट अच्छे देखो which of the following is asexual spore produced by imperfect fungi archospore conidiospore basidiospore aplanospore। पिलाने मो पूरा सियोर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन 50 टा अछि सेति सियोर शॉर्ट नियाते पढिबो सेति लास्ट पर्यंत वीडियो को सियोर देखो ठीक अछि। तो एटा सठिक उत्तर है पिलाने बी ऑप्शन कॉनिडियोस्पोर। नेक्स्ट देखियो retroviruses have genetic material which is DNA RNA both DNA and RNA proteins आंसर जो RNA RNA पिलाने इज आंसर ठीक अछि। Which one of the following pair is wrongly matched? Methanogens, gobar gas, yeast of ethanol, streptomycin, antibiotic, califorms, vinegar. What have answer? Answer is tomorrow D. Coliforms, vinegar. Next one of the major components of cell wall of most fungi is peptidoglycin, cellulose, hemicellulose, chitin. What is your sufficient answer? Answer is tomorrow D. Chitin. Next non with how many cell reproduction starts? With how many cell reproduction starts? It is देखो 2 cells, single cells, many cells, somatic cells. Answer is your single cell. At the end of which stage does cell enter mitosis? G1 phase, S1 phase, S phase, M phase, G2 phase. सठिक उत्तर है G2 phase। Chromosomes can be counted during prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. What is answer? Answer is B, the metaphase. Next is 12. Significance of meiosis is associated with DNA replication, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, growth of the body. सभी उत्तर ହେଉଛି sexual reproduction. Binomial nomenclature was given by Huxley, Ray, Darwin, Linnaeus. सठिक उत्तर ହେଉଛି D. Linnaeus. One of the following includes most closely linked organisms: species, genus, family, class. What is your answer? सठिक उत्तर ହେଉଛି A. Species. The smallest unit of classification is species, species, subspecies, class, genus. पूरा सठिक उत्तर ହେଉଛି ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଉତ୍ତର species. Next, common name and genus are same in Magnifera, Gia, Rana, Corida. सठिक उत्तर ହେଉଛି Corida. Population of which of the following? Population of which of the following will be highest in food chain? Decomposer, primary producer, photosynthetic organism, secondary consumer. एटा सठिक उत्तर है C. Photosynthetic organisms. Which one of the following is correct statement for food chain? A chain formed by nutritional relation is used to understand the energy flow. Energy component of the food chain forms trophic level interrelation amongst different food chain from food web. All of the given. सभी उत्तर है all of the given माने all of these सभी कहबो. Who is primary consumer of biotic community? Herbivores, grazing animal, omnivores, scavengers, carnivores. सठिक उत्तर है A. Herbivores. From which of the following detritus food chain will start? Algae, bacteria, protozoa, virus. सठिक उत्तर है B. Bacteria. Which of the following substance is not related with initiation of growth? APA, gibberellin, IA, cytokinin. सठिक उत्तर ହେଉଛି ପିଲାମାନେ AB. Mention the effect of cytokinin. It induces cell division and retards the process of synthesis. It maintains dormancy. It induced synthesis. It inhibits cell division. सठिक उत्तर ହେଉଛି A. Okay. It induces cell division and retards the process of synthesis. Gibberellin participate in which of the following process? Removal of seed dormancy, developing seedless fruit, growth of internodes, all of the above. सठिक उत्तर ହେଉଛି ଆମର D option, all of the above. Ethylene is responsible for flowering, disease in roots, ripening of fruits, formation of fruit. सठिक उत्तर ହେଉଛି C option, ripening of fruit. Genotype is dash. A ଅଛି ଦେଖ genetic composition of many organisms, genetic composition of plastids, genetic composition of germ cells, genetic composition of an individual. सठिक उत्तर ହେଉଛି पिलाମାନେ D. Genetic composition of an individual. Genetic recombinations occur for mitosis and fertilization, mitosis and meiosis, meiosis and fertilization. None of this. सठिक उत्तर ହେଉଛି C. Meiosis and fertilization. Which of the following is the unit of inheritance? A ଅଛି phenotype, B ଅଛି genotype, C ଅଛି gene, D ଅଛି genome. সঠিক উত্তর বহু পিলাମାନେ କ'ଣ ହେବ সঠিক উত্তর 27 নম্বর হচ্ছে সি জিম। 28 নম্বর ଅଛି genes do not occur in pairs in এর ଅଛି zygote, somatic cell, endospermic cell, gametes। কোটা ହେବ आंसर কোটা ডি ହେଇଯିବ ସଠିକ ଉତ୍ତର gametes। Which process is involved in making bread, cheese, beer and wine? कोटा आंसर respiration, hydrolysis, degradation, fermentation, decomposition। सঠিक उत्तर है पिलाने सी fermentation। Biological treatment of water pollution can be done by lichens, phytoplankton, algae, none of this। सঠিक उत्तर है पिलाने बी phytoplankton। Right full form of IARI, International Agriculture Research Institute, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, Empirical Agriculture Research Institute, Indian Aeronautical Research Institute। सঠিक उत्तर होଉଛି बी ऑप्शन इंडियन एग्रीकल्चरल रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट। Which is useful to remove weeds in agriculture? Pesticides, weedicides, fungicides, insecticides। सঠিक उत्तर होଉଛି बी weedicides। The total number of nitrogenous species in human genome is estimated to be about dash 35 million, 3.1 million, 3.5 million, 2.5,000। सঠিक उत्तर होଉଛି 33 नंबर सঠিक उत्तर होଉଛି बी 3.1 billion। Name the conjugated protein used as genetic material in living cells। ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन, न्यूक्लियोप्रोटीन, मेटालोप्रोटीन, लिपोप्रोटीन। 34 नंबर सঠিक उत्तर होଉଛି बी न्यूक्लियोप्रोटीन। Synthesis of nucleic acid always takes place in 3 to 5 dash direction, 5 to 3 dash direction, 5 dash to 3 dash direction, both ways in any direction। सঠিक उत्तर होଉଛି बी ऑप्शन 5 dash to 3 dash direction। DNA chain initiation phase during replication is formation of stepping stone, activation of deoxyribonucleotides, formation of Okazaki fragments, formation of replication, fourth stage। 36 नंबर सटीक उत्तर है पिलाने डी ऑप्शन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन फोर्थ स्टेज। Variation in length of stamens in seen in Salivina, Saliva, Salvia, none of this। सटीक उत्तर है Salvia, सी ऑप्शन। Which of the following groups show viviparous germination? Rhizopora and Abyssinia, orchids and Rhizopora, maize and bean, soybean and Janthia। तो 38 नंबर सटीक उत्तर है ए Rhizopora and Abyssinia। Fibrous root in maize develop from lower internodes of nodes, none of the above। 39 नंबर सटीक उत्तर है ए lower internodes। Which of the following plants have root pocket? Acornia, Caparis, Opchomium, Banyan। सटीक उत्तर है 40 ए। What is responsible for change in the size of population of any particular area? Availability of food, predation, pressure, all three। माने तीनटा सঠিक उत्तर है पिलाने तुमरो डी all three। In one forest maximum 500 lions can be allowed with the gun। What does 500 indicate? Maximum birth rate, population of lion, carrying capacity of population, relayed birth rate. Certificate is C. Carrying capacity of population. Which is the example of intra-specific competition for food? Barnacle on rocks of the submerged water, two female dogs and two male dogs, various types of lichens, paramecium, countertones, and P. Aurelia in laboratory. Third number certificate is B. Two female dogs and two male dogs. Chromatophores takes part in respiration, growth, photosynthesis, movement. Certificate C. Photosynthesis. What is the color of hydrochrome pigment? Yellow is green, blue is red, pink. Certificate 45 number कौन yellow is green. जो मैंने प्रिपेरेसन भलरे करते से निहत एमसीक्यू गुड़ा आसो बट जदि भी आसुनी मन रखी था सियोर सर्ट क्वेश्चन निहत आसो the name Melvin Kelvin is associated with synthesis of ATP during photosynthesis, release of water during photosynthesis, carbon fixation during photosynthesis, capture light energy during photosynthesis. Certificate is C. Carbon fixation during photosynthesis. Translocation of sugar in angiosperms occur in form of glucose, starch, lactose, sucrose. Such as certificate is sucrose. Which of the following is an example of lateral meristem? Pith, cambium, xylem, nut, cortex. Orchard certificate is B. Cambium. What percentage of total metabolic energy is produced through fermentation of lactic acid? 80%, 70%, 100%, 40%. 50 number certificate is 70% বা 70%. A typical angiosperm embryo sac at maturity is dash 7 celled, 8 nucleated, 8 celled, 7 nucleated, 8 celled, 8 nucleated, 7 celled, 7 nucleated. ये पिलाने सबुठ सहज क्वेश्चन गोटे 11th पिला 12th पिला जो माने भी पढुछन से माने कहले निहाते देबे से माने कहि देबे एटा सठिक उत्तर जे पिला माने 7 celled, 8 nucleated. तो एतिकी जे तमरा आज हम डिस्कशन कले 50 टा एमसीक्यू शेयर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे हम आनिबा काली 2 तारिख रे हम आनिबा गोटे पूरा शेयर शॉर्ट सब मिसे की फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी किबा mixture of all the subject ओके मिसे के आनिबा समस्त रेडी था सब्सक्राइब करनियो निजे संग मन को शेयर करनियो रही जय श्री राम।